Welcome to Session 3, Comparing and Ordering Rational Values. Whole numbers, fractions, terminating decimals, repeating decimals, and percents can describe points on one number line. The safest comparison method is to place the values in a common form, predict their approximate locations, compare, and then verify the order. A rational value can be written as a fraction with an integer numerator and a non-zero integer denominator. Many forms can share one location. 1/2, 0.5, and 50% all mark the same point. Benchmarks at 0, 1/2, and 1 help you compare before doing exact arithmetic. Compare 5/8 and 0.7. Divide 5 by 8 to write the fraction as 0.625. Add trailing zeros to 0.7, producing 0.700. Now compare equal decimal places. 625 thousandths is less than 700 thousandths, so 5/8 is less than 0.7. Order 0.48, 1/2, and 45%. Convert 1/2 to 0.50. Convert 45% to 0.45. The three decimal values are 0.45, 0.48, and 0.50. Therefore, 45% is least, then 0.48, and 1/2 is greatest. To decide which value is closer to 1, compare distances. The gap from 0.92 to 1 is 0.08. 7/8 equals 0.875, so its gap from 1 is 0.125. Since 0.08 is the smaller distance, 0.92 is closer to 1. An inequality symbol records order. The wide side faces the greater value, and the pointed side faces the lesser value. A reliable check is to read the statement aloud. 0.6 is greater than 0.59 is true. 1/2 equals 0.50 is also true. The symbol should agree with the number line positions. Checkpoint. Which is greatest? 0.58, 3/5, or 59%. Convert every value to a decimal. The values become 0.58, 0.60, and 0.59. 3/5 is greatest because 0.60 lies farthest to the right. For any rational comparison, choose one useful representation, estimate each location with benchmarks, compare equal units, and verify on a number line. Never compare numerator size or decimal digit count by itself. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.